Day 15 of 365 Days of our Abundant Life series. Exodus chapter 14 verse 14. The Lord Himself will fight for you. Just stay calm. Today's topic title, God says, I will fight for you. You are not being paranoid when you sense a powerful evil in this world that is always seeking to snuff out your faith and weaken your confidence in me. You have an enemy who is always plotting to harm you, deceive you, destroy you. But I have not left you alone to reckon with this evil. You are not even out in front leading the charge. The place for you is resting in me, hiding yourself in me. I am out front. I will fight for you. You see, at the cross, I defeated the enemy, sin, and broke the chains it had wrapped around your life in the form of idols and addictions. Turn to me and enjoy that victory. I have shined a light on the true nature of those things that used to look so inviting and attractive so that you can see how depleting and destructive they are. Delight yourself in me and let me give you what is most desirable. Today's message is a good reminder para sa mga katulad kong, hello, January 2026 pa lang, pagod na sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. Ganyan. Alam niyo napahirap din when you're strong ba? Akala ng mga tao lagi kang strong, ikaw yung takbuhan, ikaw ang ganyan, then hindi lang nila alam. But anyways, so it's a reminder for me na God is in control in everything and He will guide us through whatever we face. So sometimes some battles doesn't require na sige ka talaga, frontline, makipagbakbakan ka, ganyan. No, sometimes it just requires us surrender. It doesn't mean na surrender ka na, ay give up na ako sa buhay, ayoko na, pagod na ako, tama na. So it's not. It requires full surrender to God. Know that God is in control. I-surrender mo lahat sa Kanya. Dahil kung aasa lang tayo sa ating sariling lakas, ay wala talaga. Yung yung katawang tao natin, wala, mapagod talaga. So sometimes it really requires us full surrender to God, that He is in control of everything. And since we're only human, our strength runs out. Our motivation natin na sometimes naaapektuhan din, ganyan. So let God's strength take over when our strength runs out. Ganun siya. Kumbaga, let go and let God. So it doesn't mean since pagod ka na, parang wala nang katapusan itong mga problema sa buhay, hindi ganyan na surrender It means full surrender to God, that He is in control and that in the end, everything will work out fine pa din. So, based on experience lang, when I try to look back sa dinami-dami ng problemang napagdaanan ko, in the end, it will always work out. So just be patient and let God do His plan for you.